Elon Musk just announced that X Money will enter public beta next month, featuring in-app wallets and instant transfers. Users can deposit from bank accounts or debit cards and earn up to 6% annual yield, but no crypto support is confirmed yet. With over 700 million users, X Money could reshape digital payments if cryptocurrencies are integrated in the future. Cybercriminals are now using LiveChat tools to impersonate Amazon and PayPal agents, making their phishing scams feel just like real customer support. By chatting in real time, attackers trick users into revealing credit card details and MFA codes, bypassing security and draining accounts. Cofense researchers warn that these scams blend brand impersonation and social engineering, showing how phishing tactics keep evolving. The first US ETF to directly hold XRP is set to launch this Thursday, marking a major shift in crypto regulation. Canary Capital's ETF, filed under the Securities Act of 1933, will allow direct XRP exposure for investors. XRP's price has surged 10% in a week, reflecting optimism as more institutional players eye regulated products. When the Ethereum Foundation moves $10.2 million in ETH to BitMine, it's not just another sale. It's a window into how major crypto treasuries manage risk and fund development. The 5,000 ETH OTC deal supports protocol research, ecosystem growth, and grants, while BitMine further cements its position as a leading institutional ETH holder. For the Ethereum network, this signals disciplined treasury management and a shift toward long-term sustainability. Protocol 20 just went live on Pi Network, laying the foundation for smart contracts and a new era of decentralized apps. Over 46,000 apps are in the pipeline, with the Launchpad MVP on testnet and mainnet payments now enabled. Node upgrades, validator rewards totaling 526 million, and listings on Kraken, and soon Binance, mark Pi's biggest leap in 7 years. Strategy's relentless Bitcoin buying spree might soon outpace even Satoshi Nakamoto's legendary stash. The company just bought nearly 18,000 BTC for $1.28 billion, bringing its total to 731 BTC. Analysts say, at this pace, Strategy could surpass 1.1 million BTC by 2027, controlling over 5% of all Bitcoin. The US Senate just drew a hard line, passing a bill that blocks the Federal Reserve from issuing a central bank digital currency until 2030. This move shifts the focus to dollar-backed stablecoins and signals a major stance on privacy and federal control in digital assets. The decision could reshape the landscape for crypto regulation and global dollar dominance. The debate over stablecoin yields is now at the heart of U.S. crypto regulation. French Hill urges the Senate to ban stablecoin yields in the Clarity Act to gain bipartisan support, aiming to resolve disputes between banks and the crypto industry. With major political hurdles, experts say the bill's passage this year is uncertain, and traders are already adjusting their bets. When a traditional energy giant injects physical assets into a blockchain project, can it really justify a $950 million valuation? Xiexin New Energy invested $95 million in Pharos, tying solar assets to RWA and setting strict token listing conditions. The deal structure favors Xiexin, but market doubts remain about whether this valuation reflects real value or just financial engineering. For the first time, Pi Network is now tradable on the regulated U.S. exchange Kraken, opening access to millions of retail investors. PI's price surged over 30% after the listing, with market cap reaching $2.7 billion and daily volume spiking. Experts note that while price volatility remains, the real value will depend on ecosystem growth and further exchange listings. Ethereum Foundation just released a formal mandate, positioning Ethereum as a censorship-resistant, privacy-first protocol. The CROPS framework, censorship resistance, open source, privacy, and security, now guides all development, reinforcing long-term decentralization. ETH price jumped above $2.100, with staking hitting record highs and institutional inflows rising as the market reacts to this renewed commitment. As geopolitical tensions rise in Iran, demand for USDC stablecoin is surging, pushing its circulation close to $80 billion. Analysts link this growth to capital flight from regions like the UAE, with USDC now serving as a key bridge between traditional finance and digital assets. The stablecoin's rapid expansion highlights how global uncertainty fuels the adoption of dollar-backed digital assets.